Guys, hope you're doing well. And in this tutorial, we're gonna build a beautiful, very beautiful and stunning block card. And that features is the when you hover in it, you can see a very nice animated and cool gradient here. And this is the very interesting feature, and we're gonna build it in just a few lines of code. So let me show you again. This is very beautiful, and I'm in love with it. Let's get started. Okay, here we have a HTML file, and the title is animated gradient hover block card with Tailwind CSS. Okay, then let's add the Tailwind CSS CDN and libraries. Then we have to config something in Tailwind CSS. We use script and tailwind.config yep, and then it's equal to a JSON file that is temp equal to another JSON and extend that theme, and we're gonna use animation is equal to spin slow and spin 5-second linear and infinite. Let me see, infinite. Yep, all done. And after the theme, yep, and we have plugins that equal to no. Okay, with that configuration, we use this spin slow animation in Tailwind CSS that you see there. This is a cool animation, and we can use it in our card. Yep. So let's get our structure done first. We have a div, another div in it, and in that div, another div. Let me see. Yep. Okay. Let me, and in that div, let me see. Okay. Yep. Another div in it is empty, and another div. We have a div in it. A lot of div, I know, and the image tag that loads our image. Let me grab it. The link. Yep, that's our image. Blog post image for the alt attribute, and in that div also we have a p tag of hover me and another p tag with lorem, let's say 35. Okay, all done. We have our HTML structure now, and then we got to add some styling to it. So don't wait, and let's dive in. Okay, we have a class for the first div, flex, display flex, height of the screen, and items center, bg gray of 100. Okay, nice. Let's go to the second divs, and we have a group class relative margin auto width of 96 overflow of hidden and rounded 16 pixel, and again bg gray 300, padding of 1 pixel. Yep, all great. And transition all, and duration, I reset the duration to 300 milliseconds, and easing out, and then hover. Now we get to the fun part of background gradient to R to the right, hover from indigo 500, and again hover via purple 500, and hover to pink 500, and we got a shadow of large. Okay, nice. Then in that div, let me see. Yep, we don't need that, and this close here. Okay, nice. And again, class group hover animate spin slow, that one we use here. Okay, invisible. Okay, nice. Absolute and display absolute, and top -40, and bottom of 40 again, and the left of 10, and the right of 10, and again background gradient to R from transparent via white, divided by 19, to again transparent and group over visible. Okay, nice. Then we go to the next div tag, and we have a class of relative and rounded of 15 pixel, and background of white, and padding of 6. Okay, nice. And in the last div we have a class of space in the y-axis and of 4. Yep, nice. And we don't have any class for our image. For the p tag we have a class of text large, font of semi bold, and text slate of 800. Yep, nice. And for the last p tag we have a font of medium, text slate 500. Yep, it's all done. See, in just 10 minutes we create a nice block card here with cool animation and with cool hover effect, you know. And I think we missed something here. Let me see. Animate spin slow. Let me grab this one here, and yep, this one. Refresh that. Yep, it's all there. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and like the video. Have a good day.